Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting an Android environment on your PC. Install BlueStacks, sign into Google Play, and download Gboard. Once done, open the emulator settings and go to Languages and Input so you can enable new keyboards. Make sure to allow permissions when prompted. This lets Gboard access clipboard and spelling features. This step gets you the actual Gboard app running on your PC inside the emulator, which is the simplest way to use the mobile keyboard on desktop. Now enable Gboard as the active input method and grant full access so features work. Once enabled, go into Gboard settings to pick theme, enable glide typing, and set autocorrect and personal dictionary. These choices affect typing speed and accuracy. Then open a text app inside the emulator, Chrome, Notes, or an editor, and tap a text field to bring up Gboard. You'll see the layout and can test swipe, voice typing, emoji, and clipboard integration to confirm everything is configured correctly. Finish by using Gboard as your typing interface in any emulator app. Switch keyboards with the input selector or keyboard icon when needed. Use the clipboard manager and emoji panel for richer messages, and rely on glide typing or voice input for speed. If the keyboard doesn't appear or behaves oddly, restart the emulator first, then reinstall Gboard and recheck settings, languages, and input permissions. This solves most issues. If problems persist, recreate the emulator instance to reset input subsystems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.